Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today we are diving into a detailed review of the 2022 Mercedes EQT Marco Polo concept, this exciting future EV camper that promises to redefine micro-camping with full electric power. This concept gives us a close look at what Mercedes has in store for their first electric Marco Polo model, set to join the lineup in the second half of 2023. Starting with the exterior, the concept EQT Marco Polo builds on the compact EQT electric van platform, specifically the long wheelbase version for added space. The standard EQT measures about 4.49 meters long, 1.86 meters wide, and 1.82 meters high, keeping it easy to maneuver in cities and campgrounds. It features the signature Mercedes EQ styling with a sleek front fascia, aerodynamic lines for better efficiency, and sliding side doors that open wide for easy access. What really sets it apart is the innovative pop-up roof, which raises at a slight angle to provide standing headroom in the rear living area while keeping the overall height under 2 meters for garage parking. The roof includes solar panels to help power onboard systems, and a detachable side awning offers protection from sun or rain during outdoor activities. The design is premium and understated, with stylish wheels and subtle camper badging. Now let's explore the interior, where the magic of this future EV camper really comes alive. The entire camper setup is designed to be fully modular and removable, so two people can take out all the camping gear in roughly 5 minutes, transforming it back into a versatile 7-seater family hauler for daily driving. When configured for camping, it comfortably seats and sleeps 4 people. The pop-up roof houses a cozy bed with a sleeping surface of 1.97 meters by 0.97 meters, featuring zip-open windows for fresh air and scenic views. Below that, the rear area converts into another folding bed measuring 2 meters by 1.15 meters. The living space includes an L-shaped lounge with comfortable benches and a fold-out table that adjusts electrically in height for dining or lounging. The kitchenette is cleverly integrated and practical for on-the-road cooking. It includes a built-in sink with 12-liter fresh water and waste tanks, a compact 15-liter compressor refrigerator, and an induction cooktop stored in a drawer complete with space for pots and pans. For more flexible cooking, a portable gas cartridge stove can slide out to the tailgate for outdoor use. Storage comes from drawers under the seats and inside the table base. High-quality touches include Evola cherry wood furniture fronts, Artico microkit upholstery matching the seats, ambient LED lighting, and 7 USB ports. A push-button system darkens the rear windows for privacy, and there's a removable leisure battery under the seat that charges via the roof solar panels or external power. Shifting gears to performance, the EQT Marco Polo delivers efficient electric driving tailored for camper use. It is powered by a 90-kilowatt electric motor producing 122 horsepower and 245 Nm of torque to the front wheels. The lithium-ion battery has a usable capacity of 45 kilowatt-hours, delivering an estimated range of 282 kilometers according to WLTP standards on the base model. Charging is fast, with direct current fast charging taking the battery from 10 to 80% in just 38 minutes, while alternating current home charging supports up to 22 kilowatts. It focuses on smooth, quiet, and sustainable travel that fits perfectly with the camper lifestyle. Finally, let's talk prices and availability for this future EV camper. The base Mercedes EQT starts at around €49,000, equating to approximately $51,600 depending on exchange rates. The full Marco Polo concept version will carry a premium when it enters production later in 2023, though exact figures have not been released yet. Mercedes also offers the Marco Polo Module, a removable camper-in-a-box solution with bed and optional kitchen available sooner for both the electric EQT and conventional T-Class models. This modular approach makes premium electric camping more accessible without committing to a full conversion right away. In conclusion, the 2022 Mercedes EQT Marco Polo concept showcases how Mercedes is blending luxury, innovation, and electrification to create the ultimate compact EV camper. With its removable setup, smart features, and efficient performance, it is a promising option for eco-friendly adventurers. If you are excited about electric campers like this, drop a comment below with your thoughts. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to EVAI Labs for more in-depth EV reviews, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring sustainably.